Hello, good morning to you. So today is the sixth lecture on polynomial, and in the last classes already we have covered the basic concept on the polynomial, and also we have studied the relation between the zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. And in the last class also we try to solve one questions. So that was the based on the relation between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. So what will we do in today class? In today class, we will solve some more questions so that whatever so far we have studied that will be more clear to us. So the first question. So this is the like the practice question. So this is the practice question in this chapter. This is the first. So here we have the questions like question one for today class. So what we have to do here we have the polynomial. So here we have polynomial px is equal to root 3 x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3. So this is the polynomial, and what we have to do, we have to find the zeros. And so this is the first part, like find the zeros. So this is the first part, and second part is verify relation. So this is the second part of the question. So first we have to find the zeros of the polynomial px. Then we verify the relation between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. So what will we do first? First, we will try to write the all the coefficients. So here we have a is equal to root 3 and b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 4 root 3. So this is the coefficient of the polynomial. Now we have to find the zeros. So to find the zeros, we have to equate our polynomial p is equal to 0. So because at the value of polynomial at 0 is 0, so we have to equate like this. So what will we do now? We will write root 3 x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. This is correct. And if you have any doubt, please ask. In between, you can ask. So here, what we'll do, we will break a text in such way that addition will give minus 8 and one we will do the product, then we will get the root 3 into 4 root 3. So like here you can do like a root 3 into 4 root 3. So this is equal to like a 12. So we should get the 12 and on addition we should get a minus 8. So how can we do? So here we can rewrite now root 3 x square. So here you can break it as 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3 equal to 0. Then once we will take two term at one time, then here we root 3 x, then here we have x minus 2 root 3, and from this two term we can take minus 2 as a common. Then here we write x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you have any doubt, please ask a question. So what will we do now? We will take the common, this one from both terms. Then here we have x minus 2 3 root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So now what will we do? We will equate this term equal to 0 1 by 1. Then here we have x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So here we have x is equal to 2 root 3, and then here we have root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So using this relation, here we have x is equal to 2 divided by root 3. So this is the second value. So here we have alpha is equal to 2 root 3 and beta is equal to 2 divided by root 3. So 2, 3 and beta is equal to 2 divided by root 3. I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you have any doubt, please ask. And if you don't have any doubt, then we will proceed to the next step. Okay. Okay, if you don't have any doubt. So now what we have to do? Now we have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. So we know the relation like alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. This is the first relation. And second relation we know that is alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. So this is the first relation. This is the second relation. Now what will we do? We will take one by one. So here we will take alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. So here this is the LHS and this is the RHS. So we will take one by one. So here we have LHS alpha plus beta. So here this is equal to like 2 root 3 plus 2 divided by root 3. So once we will solve this, then here we have like 8 divided by root 3. So this is the LHS part. And now we have the RHS. So RHS part here we have minus b divided by a. So here if you will see like in the first step we have written b. So here we have b is equal to minus 8. So directly we will substitute, then minus 8. Then here a is equal to root 3. So once we will substitute, then here we have plus 8 divided by root 3. So here you can see now LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the first relation that we have verified. Now we have to verify the second relation, that is alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. So here we have alpha is 2. So sorry, we will take LHS. LHS is alpha into beta. So what will we do now? Alpha into beta, here we have 2 root 3 and beta is equal to 2 divided by root 3. So in this way we have 4. So what we'll do now? We will take the RHS part. So RHS part we have is equal to C divided by A. And here we have C is equal to 4 root 3 divided by A. So and A is equal to root 3. So this will we can see now. Then here we have 4. So again here we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way we verify the relation between zero coefficient of the given problem. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we will move to the next questions. So this is the first question for the today. Okay. Okay. Second question. Here we have. In the second question, what we have to do? We have polynomial, like we have polynomial px, and px is equal to ax square px ax square minus 6x minus 6. And what we have to do here? We have to find value of a, and we have product of zeros is 4. So here we have the product of zeros is equal to 4, and we have to find the value of a. So we know the relation like a. So what will we do first here? We will try to add the coefficient, like a is a here and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 6. Correct? And we have the product of zeros is 4 and we have to find the value of a. So we have to find this value, this one we have to find. So what we can do now? We know the product of zeros, like product of zeros is equal to c divided by a. And here we have product of zeros is equal to 4. So here we put directly, and then we see c is equal to minus 6 and we don't have the value of a. Correct? So in this way we can find a is equal to minus 6 divided by. So once we will simplify this, then we have 3 divided by 2. So here we have is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you have any doubt, please ask question and we will try to solve. Okay. If you don't have any question, so we will meet in the next class and we will try to solve some more questions. So thank you all of you and please go through your textbook and try to solve some questions. And once we will meet in the next class, we will try to solve some more questions. Thank you all of you.